Today I'll share the secret of preparing black and white images for printing, so you can get rich black colors in your prints. First, let's see how black is formed and why it might not always come out as true black. Here I have a file in the CMYK color model. There are 4 circles here, each filled with 100% of one color. So, to get black you have to mix red, blue and green colors. And to create these colors, we mix magenta and yellow for red, magenta and cyan for blue, and cyan and yellow for green. Then we mix all 3 colors and we do get black here in the middle, but you can see it's very pale. That's why in the CMYK model is also used a K color or black. Even this color is not black enough. As you can see, compared to a rich black, there is a clear difference between them. So, how to get a rich black? Mixing all 4 colors at 100% give us 400%. You can see here CMYK each have 100% of ink, which is too much. In printing, the ink limit is usually between 280% and 320%. And if we go over this limit, the ink can soak into the paper and make the print look messy. So, if we use just 60% for cyan, 40% for magenta, and 40% for yellow, and leave black on 100, we will get a rich black color using only 240% of the ink. Let's see. And here is no difference in the center of all the colors and this rich black circle. So, how does this apply to black and white prints? Let's see an example. This photo is an RGB color model. I converted to CMYK using the standard way. Go to Image, Mode and CMYK color. It looks like nothing changed. Let's check the channels. If we turn off the black channel, image becomes pale. But look at the horse's body hair. All the details are still there. Now I'll turn the black channel back on and turn off CMY channels. And you can see the darkest parts of the photo. This is like the base structure, but the details are gone. And here's the problem. It's common to see minor color variation between one printed piece and the next one, and this can result in color shifts. Let's use curves to see this. Even a small adjustment in the curves changes the photo hue, and this is noticeable with any inks because most details are in CMYK colors. To avoid this, and to keep black and white photo looking good in print, we need to move most of these details in the black channel. And I'll show you how. I go back to the original photo and duplicate it 2 times. Copy 1 and copy 2. I do this because we'll do the color separation twice in different channels and then combine them. Let's start with the first copy. Convert the image to the CMYK color, create a channel mixer adjustment layer, and move cyan, magenta and yellow colors into the black. 0 for cyan and 45 for black. 0 for magenta and 45 for black, and 0 for yellow and 45 for black. I'm setting an average value here, which you can adjust as needed. I check the channels again and turn off black color. Some details are missing now, but the black channel still doesn't have enough details too, and I go to the second copy of the image. And I need to convert it to CMYK with maximum black generation. I create a suitable color profile for this. Go to Edit, Color Settings, and make a new CMYK profile with maximum black generation. Let's name it Black Maximum and click OK. Now convert the image to CMYK with a new profile. Go to Edit, Convert to Profile, and here is my new profile, Black Maximum. I click OK and check the image in the black channel. As you can see, the whole image has shifted to the black channel. Now I need to combine this photo with the CMY base I prepared earlier. Here I need to create a new layer, go to Image, Apply Image, and copy only the black channel from the second image. Press OK. Now the photo looks too black. To fix this, I make sure this layer is visible only in the black channel. Double-click the layer and uncheck CMYK colors. And just like that, we get an image featuring a rich black that will print as high quality as it looks on the screens. Let's check the channels one more time. Now, if I turn off CMYK channels, the photo hardly changes, and the CMYK base become even lighter. Finally, I check the color variation with curves. Let's see cyan. The photo colors stays almost the same, even with big curve adjustments, so such color shifts is unlikely in printing. You can see magenta and yellow. To compare again, here's the photo converted from RGB to CMYK without adjustments. The difference is massive. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ask any questions in the comments. And I'll see you next time.